Hi, hello. I missed you all, and I hope you guys have been missing me because I have been missing from last 1 month almost, and there hasn't been any update, a live update, only because I have been away from India and I had a lovely summer break in London. Now, but also saying that I have been keeping up with my research and I have been reading and reading, and it's so interesting to learn about our body. The more we go into the cellular structure and the cellular living, it's so amazing to understand the truth about how our body works. So I was with a Olympian who had just come back from Paris, and he had a breakdown during the splint, and we were just talking about it, and what we found out that the body has this thing about prioritizing its work. So when we say that, you say that if somebody is doing an intense workout, he would start having really bad digestive system. So I was thinking this in the form of saying somebody having seizures. So I work with children with West syndrome. So normally what happens is the children with West syndromes, they have 100 to about 100 to 100 seizures in the day. Now, if during seizures, it means there is this intense muscle triggers that are happening in the body, which means that it does not help the digestive system because all the blood rush is happening in the bigger muscle group. So when this is happening, the whole blood goes from the digestive system to the other muscular areas, so that the blood is helping those muscles to transport the oxygen, so it does not break down the whole system. But this is what is happening with your child if your child is going through seizures. Now, what happens is when your child is going through the seizures, if there is no blood supply that is going to the brain or to the muscles, it will experience, your body will experience a breakdown, it will experience the cramps, it will experience fits and spasms. So according to my friend who is doing an intense workout, because of that he has to concentrate a lot in his diet of when he's having the food, what food he's using to refuel his body. Okay, and the third, what kind of carbs are used during his intense workout. Now, all of these children who are going through West syndrome, a lot of parents do extreme physios, or they do extreme exercises, which is fine. But at the same time, the diet has to be taken care of. A lot of carbs, what kind of carbs are going into your child's body? Only two things I would advise at the moment, because I don't want this video to be too long, but only two advice I want to give it to you guys is make sure that your child gets their carbs on the regular basis. And second, the most important of all, make sure these carbs are cooked properly so that the nutritions are broken and it's easy for the body to absorb the nutrition. So one, the food has to be cooked. Do not give all these ready-made I would say the child food that you just have to add hot water to. Make sure you cook it properly. Once in a while is okay, but if you're doing that regularly, you're not helping the child's digestion, especially if they're having intense seizures or spasms. Thank you, and I will see you at the clinic on the 1st.